Right now I'm using CANVA Pro, but you can still follow along and get this done even with the free version of Canva. So let's dive right into it. On Canva's homepage, type YouTube intro. Type YouTube intro on the search bar, then click enter. Canva will give you a lot of templates that you can customize, and the size is 1920 by 1080. I'm going to show you how to customize this template and make it your own intro as well. Just head over to any template of your choice that you like. For me, I will pick this one. Then I will click here, customize this template. Whenever you click any template, it opens up in the Canva editor. As you can see, this is the Canva editor and this is the timeline. So let me just play to see the default animation, the animation that comes with this design. That is a default animation. Let me play to see how it looks like. So I'm going to show you how to customize this right now. It is called this is the name here, and this is also the name. I'm going to show you how to customize it in the next few seconds. First of all, let's check the duration of the intro. Right now it is 4 seconds, so I'm okay with that. But if yours is longer, like 22 seconds, you want to reduce it by dragging this place to the left. The reason why you want to reduce your intro is that if your intro is too long, it will make your viewer to get tired. It will make your video to look boring, and viewers will click away, will move away quickly from your channel. So your intro should not be too long. It should just be ideally less than 5 seconds. So I will just leave mine at the default, which is 4 seconds. But for any moment, if you see your intro, if the template you choose is longer than 5 seconds, say 30 seconds, 20 seconds is just too much, just reduce it to somewhere 4 seconds. The next thing we want to do here is to change this text to our shiny name. So I will double click it. I will put in my shiny name. Right now this is the name of the font here. You can actually click here and change it to anyone you want, but I'm okay with this font. I will do the same thing here in the subheading. I will change it to something I like. Right now I've customized it to the way I want it. Let me just play it to preview it. Now it is not showing my channel name, right? Next, let's check the default animation. You can come here to this background, click on this, then come to this smaller circle here that says animate. Click on it. Right now the animation that comes with this design is called baseline. That is why you see it here. You see the name baseline, and it is on enter. You can actually choose both on enter and on exit, but I'm okay with this. I'll just leave it like that. Let's come to this test here. Let's see the type of animation they use. Look at this tab, which is a test tab. You see that it is ascend. That is why you see the text going up, ascend. The same thing with the subheading here. So I'm okay with that. But if you are not okay with that, this way you go and change it. You just click on the text, then you come to text tab, then you can choose any animation. You can choose typewriter, you can choose shift, you can choose mesh, you can choose block, and so much more. You can actually animate the text as line or as a single word. You can actually change the speed by increasing here or reduce it. So I'm okay with default setting, then I will just go for it. But if you are not okay with yours, here is where you actually want to change some settings to suit your need. Let's say you don't want the color of this background, you can actually change it by tapping on this background there. Click on it, then come to this edit, click on it. This way you change the color. If you don't want blue, you can choose this, you can choose white, you can choose any color that matches your brand, right? For me, I'm okay with the default color, which is blue. You can even replace the background with a video. Just tap on the background. When you click on delete, then you come to upload, come to the video tab. You can upload any video you want to set it to the background. Let me just drag this here, then I can resize it. So you can actually replace the background with a video. For me, I'm okay with the default background, so I will just click on delete. I just use this to show you how you can actually replace it with a video. Coming to the text, you can actually change the text. For me, I like to change the text to orange color, so I will double tap it. I'll come to here, text, then I will choose this color. So I like this color like this, and it look amazing. I hope this is nice. So you can actually change yours to something like this. The next thing I want to do, I want to upload my profile image here so that viewers can see my face. So what I will do, I will just come to here that says upload, then I will go to image tab, then this is my profile picture. Click on it. Now I want to frame it so that it will look professional and attractive. I will come to the element tab, then I will search for frame. I will choose a circle, then I will take my picture and place it on the frame. This is how it looks like. Then what I will do, I will just move this text to the left a little so that there will be a space for my profile picture. Let me add animation to this my profile picture. I will click on it, then I will go to animation. Yeah, right here you see it is photo. This profile picture is photo, that's why I show photo. Then I will go to any animation I want. I will like this one. Any animation I want, I will choose this one, pop up. Now let's play it to preview our changes. That look amazing, right? So one more thing I want to do is to add a black feed to this animation. Just follow me along. Click on this plus icon to add another page. Then change the color to black. Reduce it to somewhere like 1 second. Let's choose dissolve transition. Then let's reduce this to 1 second. Now let's play it to see the new changes. You can see after the animation it now shows a black feed, so which make it to look like it is natural and before your main video will start. If you want to add audio to this is where you add the audio. You just click on it, then you can choose any music of your choice to add to make it look engaging, right? But for me, I just want to leave it like that. Let's download this. Come here, click on share, click on download, leave it as mp4, leave here as pages 1 to 5 because I have 1 to 5 slides, then click on download. Now let's add our intro to our video. You can open any editing software of your choice, then click on import, go to download. Here is the video, click on open. What I will do, I will drag this to the first beginning. Now let me play it to see how it looks like. That is amazing, right? So this is my intro before the main video begins. So this is how you can actually add intros to your video. This is how we come to the end of today's video. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.